Last week I reviewed this gem of a Porsche GT3, and on this episode, we make it louder with a Sharkwerks exhaust. Welcome everyone to another episode of Eat, Sleep, Drive. You may have seen the video last week where we did a review of this GT3. This car is phenomenal, absolutely amazing, but it can be made better with basically a muffler delete from Sharkwerks. There's a bunch of different companies that make these muffler deletes, but basically they make a huge muffler right here behind this bumper that we're going to remove and then stick this in place, which obviously bypasses it, and this car is going to sound amazing. So let's jump in and show you how. Here's what you need for the job: several 13mm wrenches and ratchets, a T30 Torx bit, an E12 socket, and an M6 Allen key or socket. I'll put a link to these things in the description below if you need them. So the first thing you gotta remove is this skid plate. These are just T30 Torx bits. So we got 6 fasteners on each side that we're gonna remove first. These, you just need a 13mm socket, and we'll start with these. Some of them are a little harder to get to, but not too bad. Now what we're going to do is loosen this clamp here that ties the header to the muffler so we can rotate this muffler out a bit in order to slide the center muffler out. In order to push these mufflers out this way, we're going to remove, there's 2, get some better light, there we go, 1, 2, E12 Torx bits right here that you're gonna have to remove these so we can slide it this way. To get this center muffler out, it's held on with these straps right here. This one I already removed, but get yourself a M6 and stick it right there, loosen these straps, and the center muffler will come out. Now the tips can be transferred to the new exhaust. So we got these clamps all staged up here on the pipes. Now we're going to be able to move the muffler delete onto these pipes and then clamp them down. Now that we got the exhaust lined up here, they give you these brackets, and you basically just take the bracket Put it on there, get your washer, get your nut, and then thread it on, and that will be what holds the muffler deletes to this bracket. We got the exhaust lined up right in the center here with these tips, so now we can start tightening down these clamps. The last thing we're gonna do is replace the fasteners here in this bracket, tighten those down, and then of course, don't forget this clamp here from the header to the muffler. Here we go, moment of truth. We got everything all lined up here. This is perfectly dead center. You can adjust it a little bit. Go ahead. Gotta get over to the left. Oh my God.
Much better.
Oh my God. The best way I can describe this exhaust is this. It really maintains the overall tone of the factory exhaust, but with a slightly higher volume, which is good because the factory exhaust profile is great. This just turns it up a bit. If the factory exhaust was a 7 out of 10 on the loudness scale, it's now about an 8.5. You just have to get over kind of quick. That's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed the Porsche content recently between the review and this exhaust video. This exhaust sounds absolutely amazing, and it's pretty clear that Porsche probably designed it like this from factory, and then they had to put this muffler in for like noise regulations or something like that, because it sounds absolutely perfect like this, and it's not really even too bad to install. It took us like 2 hours taking our time while filming. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Eat Sleep Drive TV on Instagram. See you on the next one. Peace.